Hey guys, so yesterday we installed the new rims and tires, but we noticed that there was a leak. So I'm gonna do my best today to try and repair it and see if we can repair it and get her going. So we're gonna start by taking off the lugs off the wheels and find where the leak is on the tire. So on the outside it looks and appears fine, but after installing them when I got home they're almost flat. So we're gonna go get some soap, like a soapy water, and spray the tire and see if we can see any bubbles. So I'm just gonna start at the valve stem to check if that's leaking first. I'll check it nice and close. Doesn't seem like any bubbles are forming around the valve stem, so we'll check other spots on the tire. Alright, so after spraying the rim with bubbly or soapy water, as you can see, I have a leak just right around the rim there. And you can see by the way it's creating a bunch of bubbles. Looks like I have one there too, one there as well, and here. So looks like it's just not seating well. So it looks like I might have to take it to a shop. Alright, so I just wanted to give an update from the last video regarding my left rear tire. So it was leaking from the sides of the rim, and the way that I was able to fix it without going to a garage was I just put more pressure in the tire so that the tire would beat up against the sidewall of the rim. That's pretty much all I did, and it seems to be keeping the air, so that was my fix. But I do recommend going to a shop to get it, taken care of. But this was my fix. Hopefully it helps you guys.